Now welcome to your beautiful home. MetroGuide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest open house tour for a brand new, modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located in a prime area in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. So here's a look at the clean and contemporary design of this brand new home, and join us as we begin this property tour. Hi, this is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and before we begin, if you want quality home tours, just follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. So right now, we're gonna tour you through this beautiful home, but before we do that, let's take a quick tour at this property's features. Beginning with the property size, it has a floor area of 395 square meters and a considerable lot area of 337 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 4-car garage, a patio dining area, a landscape garden, a master bedroom balcony, a spacious master bathroom, a service and laundry area, a driver's quarters, and a maid's quarters. And all this just 5 to 10 minutes away from Alabang Town Center and Skyway. Now let's begin the tour. Upon entering the home, to your left, you have a pocket patio space, and to your right, you have a spacious 4-car garage. Let's go. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entering the house, you have a wide hallway which is well lit with windows which give you a view of your parking space. And you have 2 doors here, one for your first bedroom. Let's take a look. The first room is square-shaped. It's a corner room. It has high ceilings. You have a provision here for your own light fixture depending on your personal preference. This can also serve as a great living space, a den, a home office, or a baby's room. And from here, you have access to your first bathroom. The first bathroom has 2 doors. You can access it from the first bedroom, and you can also access it from the second door from the main hallway. So it already serves as your powder room as well. And now from here, let's take a look at your grand living space. The high ceiling, white walls, and large windows create a light-hearted ambiance for the living area. Your living space welcomes you with massive windows leading to the second floor of the house, letting in a lot of natural light. It's a square-shaped room, so you have a lot of options on how you can arrange your furniture. It also gives you a great vantage point leading to this beautiful staircase to the second floor. You also have access to multiple points in the house from your main kitchen, your dining space, and a patio lanai area. And from here, let's take a look at your dining space. Your dining space has beautiful cove lighting all around. It's open but at the same time sectioned off from the main living space. You have an access door here leading to your main kitchen. It has this huge window letting in a lot of natural light. And from here, it opens up through these sliding doors to a patio and lanai space. which also gives you access to the living room from here and to a garden space leading to the front of the house. So because of the large lot size, there's so much that you can do in terms of gardening and other revisions that you'd like in the house through this space. Now let's head back in. Let's now take a look at your main kitchen. Your main kitchen is very spacious. You have an access door here leading to the main living space, and it's big enough so that you can even have a small dining table or even a countertop table over here. And you also have a provision here for a large double-door refrigerator. Over here, you have your provision for a stove and range hood. And rounding around the room, you have a lot of pantry space, your sink, and you have access here leading to your service area. Now let's head back out to the living space. Being one of the most frequently used rooms, the main kitchen has swinging doors with no more locks. And now let's take a look at the second level. Let's go. Welcome to the second level of this home, where you have 4 bedrooms and a hallway which also serves as a terrace, which gives you a vantage point of your main living space. The large windows gives you great lighting, and you also have beautiful cove lighting around the ceiling. You can have a beautiful chandelier over here as a centerpiece for your living space, and it's also a great view coming out from your bedrooms. But now let's take a look at your master bedroom. The first impression for this master bedroom is the size. It's a square-shaped room with plenty of space to have a king-sized bed, an additional study, and a lot of additional storage. You already have this built-in counter, storage space where you can have a large widescreen TV, and on top of that, you also have a spacious balcony area. On an additional note, the neighbor for this property has a large tree which actually provides plenty of shade for this balcony. And now let's head back in. Here's another vantage point of the size of the room. You can have a large storage cabinet along here and still feel like there's so much more space. And now let's take a look here at your master bathroom. Your master bathroom and walk-in closet is so spacious that you can even place an additional bench over here, or even a small countertop table. And you also have built-in elegant cabinetry. Now let's take a look at the next room. And here we have the third bedroom. The third bedroom is generously spaced. This can already serve as the master bedroom for some other developments. And it also has this charcoal colored custom cabinetry. You also have a space here for a TV, and it also has its own solo bathroom. Let's now take a look at the fourth and fifth bedrooms. The important thing to remember here is that the fourth and fifth rooms are almost identical in terms of the cabinetry, size, and they have a shared bathroom. but they are also both corner rooms and very well lit with high ceilings as well. And here's their shared bathroom. From the shared bathroom, you now have the fifth bedroom, which also shares the beautiful custom maple colored cabinetry as the fourth bedroom. You have a space here for your television set, and you have more than enough space for a single bed or even a double bed over here. And it's also really well lit, being a corner room. Thank you for joining us in this quick property tour for this well-designed, brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. Now check out the next portion for important reminders for home buyers. For interested home buyers, if you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. And follow us on Instagram or Facebook. Now once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Here's one more look at this modern and spacious brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.